So as you can see, packing is very nice. So let's open this box.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Today we gonna do unboxing of the suture kit. Here we got many more things. So let's see one by one. Here's something written on this paper from Amazon. Here's some offer. Actually this is lucky draw offer. You can get 1500 Amazon voucher, a stethoscope and many more things in this lucky draw. So this is silk thread which is very good quality. This is needle holder, this is curved artery forceps, this is iris scissor and this is tooth dissection forceps. Here 6 different size needles which is very good quality. Now let's discuss one by one. As you can see, this is silk thread. It's really good quality. So this is a straight needle holder. As you can see, blunt from top, and here is locking mechanism. Few time practice make easy to open and lock this. Quality is very good, as you can see. So this is curved artery forceps. It also has locking mechanism, blunt and curved from this top that prevent from injury to the tissue. This is iris scissor, also known as suture scissor, and this is very sharp from top. And this is Adson's forceps, also known as toothed forceps, because it has tooth-like structure on the front for better grasping. This one is also very good quality, and these are some instruments that we got from this box. So now let's open this box. So let's remove this box. It's very nice. So here we have a suture pad. It's very nice. So as you can see, so there are 14 type of cut on this suture pad that you can perform and learn different type of suture. As you can see, there are 3 layers like our muscles, so it's very good quality. So these all things I got from this box. Here all these things are. So do like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So goodbye.